Okay, so that is basically the idea for my background. I did put a little stripperoo of adhesive foam in between each of these folds so that we had a little bit of fun extra life because, you know, we don't have enough going on. And now for some reason I'm feeling the need to bend them because I like a little movement. You like to move it. Okay, we have that. We are moving. Then that piece that I went ahead and I had gutted, I decided to use this line where this fold is right here, and I just put the piece on the same diagonal, and I've got my girl. There we go. Her head's tilted. It's kind of a fun photo. Fabulous. Now, next to think about, because you guys, every time I do a layout, I'm always like, what do I want to play with? What is kind of making me go, ooh, that's so pretty. Okay. And I was thinking that we have these great washies. And we also have, oopsie, one of my lights just did an endo right into my confetti mix. And while it's a little irritating, it's super pretty that it's everywhere too. Okay. We'll tidy up in a minute. I just saw it go flying and I was like, well, what's done is done, people. Okay. We'll make that pretty in a minute. Now it's like confetti gone wild. Okay. So I was wanting to take a look at these, but they're not quite the tones I was gonna gravitate towards. So let's take a look at our cute little washies. No idea why. I just figured that they should have a moment, you know? This is also a great use, like if I wanted to with the washi. This would be a great little vibe if I wanted to. Let me make a messy edge. If I wanted to act like this was holding any of them down, that's kind of cute. Do I want to? I don't know if I want to. No, it's just kind of busy against it. If I had a plainer background, I would totally go there. But so cute. Okay, what I think I want to do is to grab some washi. It's fine, guys. It's washi gone wild. I want it to stick out past the end of my little piece here, this aqua colored piece. And I think what I want to do is just run a little bit of these cool washies. I have that one. I think I'll do it like 3 times. So I'll have like the black, the peachy color, and then the black. And for no good reason, I like an uneven edge. So that's what we're doing there. So same thing. I'm going to do it a little bit uneven on this one. Not that it really matters. We're going to have a photo over most of it, but you know, just showing you what we have going on. And then back to our black washi. And then I'll figure we have washied. Ooh, this has these really nice little lines on it because it's a bit of a gingham. So I can use that quite easily. Okay, so basically I created a pattern on that glorious piece. Now we have Shea, and Shea's hanging out. I like her right there. I think I'm going to keep her with the white cardstock. Let's go ahead and I'm going to grab a piece of foam that I had on my desk. This is just cheapo kids craft foam I have right here. Let's go ahead and pop that down, and then we're going to have our whole background done. The next thing I get to do, see, just like boop. The next thing I get to do after this little fun moment is just add a few quick embellishments. And the reason why I say like quick, it's not going to need a whole lot because we have so much gorgeous pattern. But guys, stop it. How cute is that? It is just cute. Cuteness. Okay. Now, let's see where we want to go. I have to come up with a title. And it's got to be bold enough to stand up to all of this. I might just use her name because I've got these really bold. They are in the color coral, and they are the Simple Stories foam letter stickers. So I might just go ahead and pop her name right on this cluster, and it's going to show magnificently. aside from that, a few little bits and pieces, and this party is going to be donezo. So give me a second. I want to see what else I want to put on this layout, and I'll meet you right back here. So I went ahead and started looking through this Echo Park. I'm looking for the packaging. So it's the Echo Park family frames and tags, and started layering up all kinds of things. And quite frankly, I like the way it looks. So I'm going to pop all of those things down. This is one of the exclusive wax seals that we get to play with that are crafted for these kits. And I think they're incredible. I'm also going to pop in some of these daisy pieces that I had previously fussy cut when I cut out this paper before. I went ahead and just cut out every single little cluster as well as daisy set of clusters, you know, off camera. And I'm so blessed because I have the main kit as well as a pattern paper kit, so we can do those things, and I love it. So I'm going to sprinkle those guys around. I've got my confetti mix that I am smitten with, and that might be it, guys. This is one of these things where the background idea came to me, and it's just like boom, 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 a layout is done. But sometimes we need those quick and easy ideas that kind of pack a punch for us. So let me plop all this down. We'll come back and see if we need to add a little this or that. Okay, so I did just sprinkle some sequins around there, not tacked down, but everything else is. I wanted to take a quick look at these puffy stickers because they're beautiful and stunning. They have a nice little pop of white as well, which would be helpful because my mat for my photo is in white. Let's just go ahead and get some of that bright, bright white into these clusters. Just a little bit here and there. No biggie. I actually basically have 2 clusters, so that should be easy peasy, lemon squeezy to do. Ooh, I like this because it offsets that big wax circle that I have there. So I did the circle there. I have the circle up there. What's that read? Love this family. Life is better together. With you, I am home. Stop it. So cute. Oh, look at this little greeny candle. This doesn't have anything to do with this layout, but I love it. I love, and therefore it shall be. I think this is so cute. Where does it get to go? I feel like there's so much down here, but I mean, that makes sense because the bottom part does work if it's just a little bit heavy. There we go. I'll just pop it right there just because I love it. Oh, and this butterfly right here, I fussy cut out from this little scalloped piece that were part of our die cuts. Exquisite. All right, I'm going to spend a little too much time sprinkling all kinds of my confetti mix around using my fab little tool here, as well as, guys, I want the tool. It's sold out. It was on Mercy Tiara Kits, and it's a little confetti sequin tool, and it's sold out, and I am bummed. Anywho, I'm going to sprinkle lots of little confetti here, there, and everywhere, and I think we'll be able to call this one done. I'll be right back. And just like that, this layout is donezo, guys. I'm really like overly into the sequins mix, so we have got, into my confetti mix. So we have so many things, and I think the thing is, it's just because these little iridescent corally peachy ones have this like the cup comes up and there's all this dimension, and it just makes it beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, that is a layout done. I will have still shots to follow and links down below for you guys to be able to subscribe to the kits and show us what you are creating in the Facebook group. Bye for now, friends. Few still shots to follow. Bye, guys.